Thank you, Michael, for letting me demo this slalom in his green Lamborghini. I also brought 7 green leaf bags from Amazon to match the color and set up this exercise, designed to help develop throttle steering and car control. This exercise is pretty simple. We start with a 180-degree U-turn. The surface is very icy, so everything has to be smooth and controlled. The goal is to develop a driving line based on the available grip. Here we go. Vision up, looking ahead through all 5 slalom cones. Right, left, and right. I'm turning in wide to feel the neutral throttle and steering inputs, all based on the available grip. Lock the throttle around 4,000 RPM. Add RPM to rotate the rear with under 90 degrees of steering. SpeedSecrets calls this quality seat time, feeling front tire grip and rotating the car smoothly. Here we go for the 180. Choose a good turn-in point, keep steering under 90 degrees, and use a quick throttle input to rotate the rear. Feel the G-force, ease back to 1% throttle, stay patient on exit, and line up for the slalom. Thanks to Alan, our digital creator, also known as Leisure One Official on Instagram, for the drone footage. You can see how smoothly he flies, adjusting with my speed to find balance, which really shows his experience. He's also a skilled driver and has created several winter driver training sessions for SASC. Those moments keep me motivated to keep improving. I'll share his info in the comments. Okay, this last 180 is super slippery, and the Huracan Sterrato in rally mode is incredibly accurate. It's a perfect winter, off-road buddy. You just need a bit of extra room to get in and out, but once you're seated, there's plenty of room inside the Lamborghini. Let's see if I can slide the rear tires close to the green targets. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share to support motorsport and continuous improvement. And Mike, all the best in your 2026 Ferrari Challenge race season.